Over 2 months ago, I announced that I was going to be hosting my very own retro car show, and here is how it went. So we're at my very own show, Retros in Rough 2024. It's finally come about. We prepped this about 3 months ago and now it's finally here. We've had a really good turnout so far. There's still more cars coming, but there's a really good variety. So let's go and have a look about the whole show. Right, so we've had a few more cars in since we last filmed, but there's a massive variety, all different countries of cars as well. So we're going to have a wee look about. But back in this corner here, we've got a massive variety. We've got the big Japanese Jumbo Aristo, Mark 5 Escort like mine there. There's a couple of Astras back there. We've got Escorts, Sierras, Honda del Sol as well back there. But Mondeo, Escort, Porsche B, Sierra, Peugeot, Subaru. There's just a massive variety, and it goes right up here as well. We have a couple rows there as well. We've got American stuff. Oh, it's absolutely chock-a-block. So as well as the bouncy castle, snack van and ice cream van, we had my mum doing some amazing face painting all day, and we also had my girlfriend Amy selling her bakes, and she ended up selling out of everything as well. But before we knew it, it was time to start presenting this year's trophies. Thank you all very much for coming. We did have the microphone but it stopped working, but we're just going to announce the trophies now. But thank you very much for the turnout. We've had a lot of variety of cars as well, so thank you very much. But first we're going to get into top 3 show and shine. So, can we have the owner of the Blue Astra GSI up here for the trophy? So, we've got 2 more there. So, the next one, can we have the owner of the Blue Mark II RS2000 Escort? This car is really unique and it's the only one in the show, so can we have the owner of the Bonbon? Thanks a lot. The Mark III Golf there, the black one. It's got the chrome EBS wheels. And last but not least, best in show. It's the only car that she was well out of the rest of everybody. But it's one of my favourite cars. So it's maybe a wee bit biased, but thank you so much for coming. But can we have the owner of the Blue Mark I Escort? Thank you all for coming anyway. If you want to head out, that's totally fine. If you are stuck behind, we can get us out. But thank you all for showing up anyway. And then we got to see all these amazing cars leaving this year's show.
Bubbles on its head. Let her up. Why did you go to anyway?
It's now a few days after this year's event and I'm still absolutely blown away with how much support we had. Obviously on the day we had plenty of cars and plenty of people enjoying their day out, but alongside the event we were also raising money for two charities, those two charities being Alzheimer's Society and Social Bite, which is a homeless charity. Now I'd set a target of £250 to raise on a Just Giving page to split between the two charities, and we've absolutely smashed that out of the water. We're at £270, which is absolutely brilliant, so that'll get split 50-50, and on the day we had two buckets where people could put cash to donate as well, which is absolutely brilliant. We've got a lot of donations for that as well, and that'll get split between the two charities and donated very, very soon. So thank you to anybody who donated or anybody who just shared the Just Giving page or anything. Thank you all so much. And I want to thank anybody who brought a car along to the show on Sunday, because it wouldn't be a show without yous, and I want to thank anybody who just came along to spectate as well. Thank you all so much. I know this wasn't the longest video ever, but it was really hard to film on Sunday because I was running about like a headless chicken. But thank yous for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We've got a stock car video coming up next, so look out for that. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new or you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next one.